In this video, we find the 3 best and cheapest 3D printers you can currently find. All these printers have prices around $300. On third place is ELEGOO Mars Pro MSLA 3D printer. Rubber seal and USB port. Mars Pro comes with a silicone rubber seal that can be put on the bottom of the cover to prevent the resin odor from leaking. Thanks to the rubber seal, Mars Pro is in low noise when printing. The USB port is relocated to the front for your convenience. Upgraded user-friendly design. Mars Pro uses a new user interface with a dark theme and simple design. Remodeled resin vat, made of aluminum alloy, is light yet sturdy. Set screws of the building plate were changed to anti-slip hexagon socket screws to provide a more stable and long-lasting leveling result. Built-in activated carbon can absorb and filter the irritant resin odor before they are ventilated throughout the cooling fan at a super adsorption rate, which gives you a fresh and safe user experience. New sliced file format. Mars Pro is the first resin-based 3D printer to use the sliced file of CTB format, which reduces the file size by an average of 90% compared to CBD-DLP format and significantly increases the printing success rate when printing bigger models. On the second place is official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. It is the cheapest on this list. Removable build surface plate, provide all-round protection to your 3D printer build plate and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Easy to remove the printing models after cooling. Safe power supply. Ender 3 Pro comes with a UL certified power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110°C in just 5 minutes. Resume print function. Ender 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages. Semi-assembled kit. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. On first place is the official Creality Ender 3 V2 upgraded 3D printer. This is an Amazon bestseller and has a 5-star rating. Self-developed silent motherboard. The Ender 3 V2 built-in self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation. Brand new Operation UI system and 4.3 inches smart color screen greatly improve user experience. Resume printing function. Ender 3 V2 can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages, saving your time and reducing waste. Carborundum glass platform. Enable the hotbed heat up quicker and prints adhere better without warping. Ultra smoothness even on the first layer. UL certified mean well power supply. Produced by the listed company with mature technology, meeting all the needs of fast heating and long-time printing. Moreover, the power supply is concealed in the machine, making it much safer. Effortless filament feeding. Ender 3 V2 adds a rotary knob on the extruder, making loading and feeding filament process much easier. For more details about these printers, you have links in the description. See you in the next video.